my shirts in my shop. So take your shirt, making sure we're lining it up with center placket there, making sure everything's nice and flat. I always make sure the tag on the inside is facing out so it doesn't mess it up later. Then I take my new sheet of printer paper and I line it up with the placket in the center. And the key, and this is how I get my lines to be so clean, is I hold it down and I keep that pressed down as I fold over. And I kind of come over here and pinch it and then line this up here. And that just keeps it really nice and close to the paper. And I flip that, then I go over here and do it on the other side again, just making sure that I hold it down so I can pull it around, and that creates that edge right on the paper right there. Flip, up a little bit, and I come here, pinch, and we tuck our tag in. And it makes a nice clean fold. I hope that helps.